Hello everyone. Now start entering Hekan Company. Hekan Company is a professional manufacturer of ordinary punch C-shaped steel, photovoltaic bracket, seismic bracket, prefabricated support and hanger. A one-stop manufacturer. What we are seeing now is customized galvanized sheet metal by the customer for 1:1 2.5. Urgent production is underway. Please feel free to contact us if needed. The workers are packing up. Any specification is available in stock and can be shipped at any time. Price discount, high quality. Wishing the boss who has been discovered well.